Okay guys, I'm back again with a quick video on update on the video post last week. Remember that video about the US Embassy sending out actual an actual notice on their official Twitter account about getting reports of suspected racial profiling. Well, today in Japan today, Tokyo lawyers are going to try and gather more data, right, to see if it confirms what they have been suspecting for some time as well. Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold, hold on a second here for me. Are you saying what I think you're saying? Japan wants to be America so bad, bro. Like, only when America cares about something does Japan actually act. And so, America says something, now Japan will be like, oh, let's look into this a bit more. In the article, actually, it says that the Tokyo lawyers have suspected that there has been some racial profiling being taking place for foreigners. Now, there's a certain YouTuber that I'm not going to even give, I don't even remember his name, but this guy, I knew I was going to jump on the video. I watched like 1 minute of his video. I didn't watch the rest because I know exactly what his line of argument is. Oh, you just don't look at racial profiling because, Japan is not racist. I am so tired. Are you telling Japan be racist? No, I'm being very, very, very wild now. But he basically said that you have to look at the lens through Japanese lens and not through the American lens or international lens, because Japan lens is what you need to look at through things. So Japan only sees, oh, that's a foreigner. So yeah, you know that. Yes, you guys only view outside and yourself. So guys in Japan, they only view themselves versus the world, basically. All right. So yeah, but that's still discrimination. We didn't say it had to do like racial, meaning racial as in black and white, but the foreign race as opposed to the Japanese race, ethnicity and all that. Sabetsu da yo. Wakata. Oi. You. Anybody can send a video to this guy right now. Yo, idiot boy. Sir. Not because. So yeah, so they're going to look into it, and as a result of that, when they start getting the data now, because his argument is always about the data, or the data he can find, but that man doesn't have the real world experience. Clearly, he doesn't have the real world experience, because out here, people are getting stopped, and I know the Japanese people getting stopped, but the understanding is that the Japanese police can only stop you if they suspect you of something or you're moving suspiciously. Now, suspicion is subjective. All right, it's not objective. So you look black or you look like a foreigner, and we know that foreigners are dangerous, so therefore thusly you're suspicious. And they go and say, yeah, you look suspicious. What? I don't look Japanese, so you can't stop me. It's what I'm saying. So shut the boy with your glass wearing straight. Yo, I really for years I haven't watched any of his videos, and I saw somebody post it and I was like, no, don't do this. And I clicked, saw 1 minute, I knew exactly the trash that he was going to talk about and spew his line that Japan is not racist. Alright, you're not racist. You're discriminatory then. How about that? You are prejudiced towards your own race. And that's fine, just own up to it. That's all we're saying, bro. It ain't that hard. It's obvious. In just the minute day interactions, yo. The system is set up here to preserve the Japanese nationality and ethnicity, bro. You know this. So stop acting like it's something brand new or it's a secret. But I'm glad the world is waking up and seeing what we've been saying for years. Oh my god. Poor weebs getting in trouble now. So now the whole world has to suffer. Oh, now my Japan, not my Japan, huh? Not my Japan being discriminatory. Oh, no way. I want to be Japanese so bad, but they'll never accept me as a Japanese. But it's okay, because I can read kanji and all that. Yeah, I'm fine, great. So yeah, that's the video. Keep it to see you guys soon, because the guys are making sure. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. Do you think that they're going to find enough data to corroborate their position that even the Tokyo lawyers themselves have suspected this has been taking place? But I'm happy it is coming to light, because when they say I'm a hater, I'm not a hater. I just like to see the truth out in the streets. Anyways, people pick up yourself. Christmas is coming. Christmas is coming. Where is your girlfriend? Where is your boyfriend? lonely. Yeah, so in Japan, Christmas Eve is a big day, the dates and stuff. And if you don't have somebody, it's kind of sad. That's what they say. That's what they say. But I want to see people happy, so I'm out. Going to work. Bye. See you.